Bore da blant, sut o'i ti? Sut mae tawydd heddiw? Ydy hi'n bwrw aira? Is it snowing? Nag ydy. Ydy hi'n bwrw glaw? Is it raining? Nag ydy. Ydy hi'n oer? Is it cold? Nag ydy. Mae hi'n haelog. It's sunny. I hope you are well. Dydd Llun, Monday. Dydd Mawrth, Tuesday. Dydd Mercher, Wednesday. Dydd Iau, Thursday. Dydd Gwener, Friday. Dydd Sadwrn, Saturday. Dydd Sul, Sunday. Beth ydy dydd heddiw? Dydd Mercher, Wednesday, a bore da. We're going to start by singing Sosban Fach. Mae mis Merian wedi brifo a Dafydd y gwas ddim yn iach. Mae'r baban yn y cryd yn crio a gath wedi sgramo Johnny bach. Sosban fach yn berwi ar y tân, sosban fawr yn berwi ar y llaw, a gath wedi sgramo Johnny bach. Dau bach y soldiwr, dau bach y soldiwr, dau bach y soldiwr, a chwarte gris y nas. Siwd gris oedd ganddo, siwd gris oedd ganddo, siwd gris oedd ganddo, un gwyn a streipen las. The story I have today is William Morgan and the Welsh Bible. This is the story of William Morgan. He was born in a farmhouse in North Wales over 400 years ago. This is the house where he was born. It is called Tŷ Mawr, big house, Tŷ Mawr. Even though William was clever, his parents could not afford to send him to school. A rich man named Morris Wynne lived nearby. He said, "I will pay for William to go to school." William worked hard at school, and when he grew up, he became a vicar. He was the vicar of the church of Llan Rhaeadr and Mochnat. Every Sunday in church, he read out the Bible in English, but the people could only understand Welsh. This is Queen Elizabeth I. She was the Queen of Wales and England when William was alive. She wanted everybody in Wales to know what the Bible said. Queen Elizabeth said, "I need somebody to write out the Bible in Welsh, but who can do it?" William heard what the Queen wanted and decided he would write the Bible in Welsh. Every night, William lit his candle and sat at his desk to do his work. He wrote on paper with ink and a quill pen. It took him a very long time to finish his work. Now he needed to get it printed, but no one in Wales could do this. William had to ride his horse all the way to London to find the man who could do the printing. The printing press was a new invention, and William had never seen one before. He thought it was a wonderful machine. First of all, every word had to be made from letters of metal. Then the words were put into lines in a wooden frame. The printer could not understand Welsh, so William had to make sure that no mistakes were made. Next, ink was dabbed all over the letters and a sheet of paper was placed over them. Then the paper and the letters were pressed together in the printing machine. Lastly, the paper was hung up for the ink to dry. One page of William's Bible had been printed. There were hundreds of pages in William's Bible. It took a whole year to print. One Bible was sent to Queen Elizabeth, who was very pleased. She said, "Every church in Wales must have one of William's Bibles." Every Sunday, Dydd Sul, the people could hear the Bible being read in Welsh. They could now understand what the Bible said. William's Bible was the most important book in Wales. birthdays today. Shall we sing happy birthday in English and happy birthday in Welsh? Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear, happy birthday to you, Penrod Hapus C.T, Penrod Hapus C.T, Penrod Hapus Alan, Penrod Hapus E.T. If it is your birthday, I hope you're celebrating in a very nice way. We're going to close our assembly today with hands together, dwylo yn gyd, llygaid ar gau, eyes closed, and we're going to sing Iesu Tirion. Iesu Tirion, gwyl y mawr, plentyn bach yn plygu law, oeth yn wendid trig y haw, paid am gwrthod Iesu da, Amen. Everybody today is saying, stay safe. In Welsh, we say cadwch, keep, cadwch, yn ddiogel. Cadwch yn ddiogel. Try that at home.